Hey YouTube, so I just recently got a new Jeep, well, new to me, the 2012 Sahara in Jeep Cherry Red. So all of you who have Jeeps know that when you have Jeeps that comes with this plastic trim that never seems to stay shiny and wet looking. So I went with Chemical Guys trim and wax oil remover and the tire and trim gel. So as you can see, I put it on. I followed the steps. It works well, definitely on the trim. I'm not so sure I like it on the tires. It takes a lot of effort to put it on the tires. But so this is one coat. This side's only a few minutes old. This side here sat a little longer. It's not in the sun, but you can see how it did dry a little bit. I might have to put a second coat on, but we'll test it out and we'll see how it works.